Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Steelmate TP93 tyre pressure monitoring system. Okay, Steelmate tyre pressure monitoring system. So what we'll do, we'll just do a quick look around the box, do an unboxing, then I'll fit this to my motorbike and I'll go out and ride it and see how it performs, check the accuracy of it, that sort of thing, and then we'll have a sort of like a final thoughts. So nicely boxed. Lots of information on the box there, showing you all the display there, pressure data, set, button, select, battery indicator, all sorts of good stuff there. Fast leakage alarm, high temperature alarm, all that sort of stuff. So these are currently £80. I'll put a link in the description for you. There is a discount code for you as well. So a lot of good features on this. It's got real-time display. So as your tyre pressures kind of increase a bit with heat, that will go up. They're waterproof. It's got magnetic charging, a 4-month battery life, which is brilliant. So you can either mount this sort of clipped to your handlebars, or there's like a stick-on option onto your dash. It's got a visual and an audible alarm. You can change the pressure units, bar, PSI or KPA. Obviously it's wireless. You can adjust the pressure range as well, so it'll make an alarm if it falls out of those out of the pressure range. Auto power on and off, so apparently it turns on when it senses movement from the bike, so that'd be good to test. So let's just take it out of the box. So a nice sort of display case there. So first off, instructions. You can look at this, brief look at display, installation, looks simple, turn it on and off, screw on the sensors, replace the battery, sensor batteries. Apparently it starts automatically operating when it senses movement over 25 kilometers an hour, 15 miles an hour. Low battery, sensor programming. All sensors in this package are pre-programmed. Parameter settings, and that's about it. So that looks quite straightforward to sort of set up and fit. Sensor itself, if I can get it out. There you go. Oh, it's got a nice weight to it. So I think, let's just see if it's got some power in it. I think you hold there to turn it on. So straight away, look, I haven't set this at all. It's saying the exact correct time. It's not obviously connected to the bike, but it's just showing 37 PSI at the moment. Fully charged battery. There's the magnetic charging port there. And there's your mount. So magnetic charger and USB. So here's your little sensors, quite a nice weight to them. I did actually review one of these which goes to the phone app last year. I didn't have any issues with having to rebalance my wheels after fitting these, so even at sort of 70 miles an hour didn't have a problem with wheel balancing, but we'll try this out again on these. So there's your mount, which is quite a nice weight to it. So obviously just screws onto your handlebars, different packing pieces, and you can adjust it for all the sort of different angles. So that's nice. Decent mount like that. So in here you've got your little spanner, little sort of lock nuts, and that's that. And that's pretty much it in the box. So what we'll do, we're going to fit this to the bike. Then we're going to go out for a real-time ride and see if the pressure sort of goes up while I'm riding a bit, and then we'll have a report back at the end. So fitted the Steelmate tyre pressure monitoring system to the KTM. Really easy to fit. Literally took about 2 minutes. Just used these supplied mount, screwed it to the middle here, adjusted it all how I wanted it. So very easy to fit. I've ridden about sort of half an hour out here, and this was on what I set it, you know, my own personal preference. It was on 38 and 33, and in riding out here, even on a cold day, it's picked up, and the tyre pressure's increased. It'll probably cool down in a minute. So now we're on 34 and 39. So it was 33 and 38, just my personal preference, what I like tyres to be. So anyway, just have a little quick ride. Right, so yeah, really nice to have this tyre pressure monitoring on a bike. You can see in real time what your tyres are at, rather than say having it on a phone app. So 34, 39, I'm totally confident that's the exact pressure because I've compared it to an accurate gauge that I've got at home. So yeah, that's really nice to have that. So Steelmate tyre pressure monitoring system, very easy to install on the bike. Just screw the sensors onto the valves, and literally within a minute or two it's kind of picks up wirelessly the pressure from the sensors. So all good. So now you can ride along, you know, with sort of real-time monitoring of your pressure. So that's really good. So there you go, guys, the Steelmate TP93 tyre pressure monitoring system. As you can see from the video there, worked really well, very accurate. I did double check it with a sort of a manual gauge, which I know to be totally accurate, so accuracy is spot on. As you can see, it started automatically powered up when the bike started rolling, which was nice, and it gives you like a real-time display of your tyre pressure. And as you can see, as I was riding during the ride, the heat of the sort of tyres, the pressure did increase a bit as well. So that's all fine. So yeah, a good wireless tyre pressure monitoring system, well priced, and Steelmate are a good company, so their products are decent. So yeah, if you're in the market for a TPMS for your motorbike, take a look at one of these. Please post your comments down below, guys. Give me a like, share and subscribe if you wouldn't mind, and catch you again for another review in a week or so. Bye for now.